Welcome to today's quick lesson about the process landscape modeling or process map modeling. We will use RS Express tool to prepare a process diagram of three main process groups within organization, and when you open RS Express tool you'll see various process techniques, and today we will use process landscape technique. And this technique can be used to represent the overview of the processes within organization. And when you open this diagramming technique, you will see large blank area, process elements and fragments. So I will use already prepared fragment hierarchy, and I will put it into drawing area. And as you can see, we already have three groups of processes, and on this picture only hierarchy of process groups is represented. So I will name these three process groups as we usually name them, and first type of processes will be core processes, and the second big group of processes will be management processes, and the third group of processes will be maintenance processes or supporting processes. Let us think about which core processes are performed within our organization, and for example, if our company develops software applications and programs, one of our main processes is software development. And if we offer support to our clients and we maintain our software at their site, we can call the second process software maintenance. And we could also add additional core processes using these process elements on the right, and I'll just connect them to our main process group, core processes, but I will not rename them at this moment. Let us think about management processes. Which management processes are performed within our organization? Surely one of more important ones is planning, and maybe quality management, and probably human resource management, and so on. I will just reconnect, rewire the diagram. Okay. Let us think about supporting processes. So supporting processes are those processes which support the performance of all other processes, but they don't directly bring us any income, but are needed anyway. So one of very common supporting processes is, for example, purchase of the office supplies, or infrastructure management, and so on. So as you can see on this process diagram, we represent only the main groups and the processes which are included in main groups of processes. We don't represent any sequence, any events, gateways, roles, and so on. And we can rename this the top level element as processes of organization X, and you will just rename it according to the name of your organization. So what's the purpose of this diagram? We usually use it to insert it into management system manual or quality manual, or print it and put it into the wall that all employees see which processes are performed within our organization. and it is a picture which rarely changes, and each of these processes will be refined into details in the following lections. So that's it for today's quick lesson.